In this video, I will explain about accounting for joint ventures. Joint venture is a short-term business undertaken jointly by two or more persons who share the profits and losses in an agreed ratio. It is a short duration special purpose business. It is just like a partnership. Parties in joint venture are called co-venturers. Co-venturers may contribute funds or supply stock, materials, goods from their regular business. Co-venturers share the profits and losses of the venture after the completion of the business. The profit or loss of the venture is calculated on completion of the venture. In joint venture, we have to prepare three accounts. One is the joint venture account, second one is the joint bank account, third one is the co-venturers account. Let us study how to prepare ledger accounts. Joint venture account is prepared to ascertain profit or loss of the venture. This account is prepared for the purpose of ascertainment of venture profit or loss. This account is debited for all the venture expenses and all the incomes such as sales or other collections of the ventures. In joint venture, there are three accounts are to be prepared. One is joint venture account, second one is joint bank account, third one is co-venturers capital. Next we have to prepare joint bank account. In joint venture, the joint bank account will be opened by the co-venturers jointly and it will be operated by co-venturers jointly. The co-venturers open separate bank account for the venture transactions by making initial deposits. In the sense, they will introduce capital in the business. That amount will be deposited in the joint bank account. The bank account is generally operated jointly. Expenses are made from this account only. The income from the sales or collections from transactions are deposited to this account. On completion of this venture, the joint account is closed by making the payment or final settlement to the co-venturers. Next we have to prepare co-venturers account. It is similar to partners capital account in partnership form. Co-venturers account are maintained to keep the records of their contributions of cash, materials supplied by them or meeting venture expenditures directly and direct payment received by them on venture transactions. As we know that joint venture account is prepared to ascertain profit or loss, it is better to know what are the transactions will appear in joint venture. The first transaction is the cash introduced by co-venturers. So when the cash introduced by the co-venturers will become givers. Cash comes into the business. That cash will be deposited into joint bank account. So cash comes in. Joint bank account data to co-venturers account. The entry is joint bank account data to co-venturers account. See, this entry will be recorded in joint bank account. So this entry will not be made in joint venture account. This is very important transaction and entry you should know. Next, materials supplied by co-venturers. See, joint venture account is prepared and all the expenses and incomes will be recorded in joint venture account. This account is debited for expenses and credited for incomes. Next transaction is materials supplied by co-venturers. So this entry will be made in joint venture account. Here joint venture account will be debited. Then supplied by co-ventures. So givers to co ventures account. The material supplied by co-ventures. See here, the material supplied by co-ventures will be recorded in joint venture account. See, material comes into the business. So this is the expenses incurred by the co-venture. Next transaction is expenses paid through joint bank account. See, expenses will be recorded in joint venture account in debit side. The entry will be joint venture account returned to joint bank account. Joint venture account returned to joint bank account. See here, the expenses paid through joint bank account. So joint bank account is credited here. So when expenses directly paid by the co-venturers, here co-ventures account is credited. So here the expenses made through joint bank account, you have to write to joint bank account. If any expenses incurred by the co-ventures, you have to write the name of the co-ventures in debit side of venture account. See, if the material supplied by the co-ventures, write their name in debit side of co-venture joint venture account. Then next entry is sales or any collections or incomes. See, the incomes, sale proceeds or any incomes collections will be recorded in credit side of joint venture account. See, joint venture account is created for incomes. The entry is joint bank account returned to joint venture account. See here, the collections will be deposited to joint bank account. Joint bank account returned to joint venture account. Collections received by co-ventures. Sometimes the co-venturers will receive directly the income of the venture on behalf of the venture. So there you should not write the joint bank account. There you should write the name of the co-ventures account. See, joint venture account, any income received and deposited to joint bank account, joint bank account will be credited in joint venture account. Then if any incomes or sale proceeds received by the co-venturers directly, then we have to write the name of the co-venturers, because these entries are made for due or amount receivable from the co-venturers. Any income received and deposited to joint bank account will be credited in joint venture account. Then if any incomes or sale proceeds received by the co-venturers directly, then we have to write the name of the co-venturers, because these entries are made for due or amount receivable from the co-venturers. The entry is co-ventures account data to joint venture account. See, collections received by co-ventures. Co-ventures account data to joint venture account. So this is the income. That's why we have written in credit side of joint venture account. So this is the amount due from the co-ventures account. That's why we have written the co-ventures account in credit side. Next, the closing stock or unsold stock or sometimes assets may be taken out by the venture. So co-venture will be the receiver. Co-ventures account debited. So as the co-ventures are receivers, their account will be debited. Co-ventures account are to joint venture account. Here any assets or stock is taken out by the co-ventures, so their name will be recorded in the credit side of joint venture account. The entry is co-ventures account to joint venture account. Or if assets sold by the venture, sale of assets and the amount, if the amount is debited to joint bank account, the entry is it is one form of income. See, joint bank account related to joint venture account. See here, joint bank account. See, sale of assets. Next, after making these entries, we should know that is there any commission or interest payable to co-venturers. If any amount payable to co-venturers, the entry will be joint venture account related to co-ventures account. Any amount payable to co-ventures account will become liability. Co-ventures account will be credited. The entry will be joint venture account related to co-ventures account. Commission or interest payable. After making these entries, we have to close the joint venture account. So the credit side is income side, the debit side is the expenses side. So all the incomes will be recorded in the credit side, expenses will be recorded in the debit side. Then the both expenses and incomes will be compared. If income is more, you will get the balance in debit side, then that will be treated as a profit. If income is more, expenses are less, then the difference will be profit. That profit will be distributed among the co-ventures account. The entry for distribution of profit of venture is or distribution of balance or profit which is ascertained in joint venture account will be transferred to co-ventures account. The entry is joint venture account to co-ventures account. If loss, so that loss will be incurred by co-ventures only. So co-ventures account data to joint venture account. The entry for loss on joint venture business is will be incurred by the next we have to study about the co-ventures capital account. If you have idea about the partners capital account in partnership form, so you can easily understand how to prepare co-ventures capital account. So this account is prepared to record the transactions of co-venturers, their capital contribution or expenses incurred by the co-venturers or the income received by the co-venturers or material supplied by the co-venturers, capital contribution, etc. See, usually after making these entries, we have to close the co-ventures capital account. Then you will get the balance. Balance amount is to be paid to the co-venturers. So we have to make a final settlement. Here final settlement made through joint bank account. That's why while closing the co-ventures capital account, the balance will be treated as a joint bank account. The entry is for closing the co-ventures capital account is co-ventures capital account or co-ventures account to joint bank account. After preparing joint venture account and co-ventures capital account, we have to prepare joint bank account. Joint bank account is opened by the co-ventures jointly by introducing the initial capital. See, already we have written joint bank account. Then another important thing is if you know the concept of cash account or bank account, you can easily prepare joint bank account. See, in joint bank account, all cash receipts will be recorded in debit side. All cash receipts will be recorded in the debit side. Then all the payments, cash payments will be recorded in the credit side. See, here first introduction of capital. See, joint bank account. See, two co-ventures account. Here cash comes into the business. Then next one is any income received. That is receipt of cash. Joint venture account. See, here income. See, we have written here joint bank account. Sales or other incomes in the form of cash that will be recorded in the debit side of joint bank account. Joint venture account. See, any for incomes. See, any sale of assets. See, here also the cash will be received. Assets sold and cash received. This is the receipt of cash. See, joint venture account, sale of assets. Next, so payments. See, here the expenses will be met through joint bank account. See, if expenses made through joint bank account, see here we have written entry joint bank venture account regard to joint bank account. See, this is the payment, cash payment. Write it in the payment side by joint venture account. See, expenses. Next, the final settlement, the entry for final settlement. So here we closed the co-ventures capital account and the final settlement made. Here final balance paid to co-ventures. So the entry is co-ventures capital account to joint bank account. Here the payment made to co-ventures. Here by co-ventures account. See, this is the final settlement. So in joint venture we have to prepare three major accounts. One is joint venture account, co-ventures capital account, joint bank account. Joint venture account is prepared based on profit or loss by recording the expenses and incomes. Co-ventures capital account will be prepared to find out the final settlement or to ascertain the final settlement to co-ventures. Joint bank account is prepared to record cash receipts and cash payments.